got to install a culvert down at the lower part of my property. Been having every spring, I have a culvert down there now. It's about 8 inches or so, and every spring too much water goes down. So now I've got to put in this bigger culvert that I salvaged from a friend of mine, and so we're gonna hook it up to the tractor. And if you watched this before, then you'll know that I talked about the hooks on the front of the bucket, and I'm going to show you how I use them to move this culvert around instead of picking it up. So I'll get the culvert right here with cable on it that I put. This is 1/4 inch cable. It's just got two locks on it. I just wrap it around like that, and I'll be hooking them to that bucket. Okay, now that we made it down here at the culvert, you see the old culvert just wasn't big enough, and it washed out around it right down our road here. This is just a seasonal drainage, so we're going to take out this old pipe and keep it for something else and replace it with this one and do it much better. Okay, well, we got the ditch dug, and we're gonna put the pipe in because this is not a regular ditch that gets a lot of traffic, just our 4-wheelers every now and then. We're not very far under the ground. We're only gonna be about 6 inches. The main thing is just to have enough flow for the water to go through, so it just stops running down the road. So we'll get that in and we'll backfill it. So that's putting in the culvert for us. And I know it's not very deep, and there's a reason for that. Normally you'd want to go deeper under the road, but the reason I didn't is because on our outlet side we've got all kinds of live tree roots that's over here at this end, There's all kinds of live tree roots there. If I was to dig it any deeper, I'd have to dig it all the way to the creek, and I would tear through all those good tree roots and possibly kill the trees. I didn't want to do that. I'd rather build the road up. So what we're going to do is we'll let this sit for the rest of this winter and let it settle, and then this coming year in the spring, after the rain's done, I'll be able to come down, I'll build it up again after it's settled. So that's why it's not that deep. We'd rather go that route instead of kill some of these trees. So that's us putting in the culvert. Hope you enjoyed this show. Once again, my Kioti tractor just nailed it, just without a beat. It just kept going. And again, we're not affiliated or sponsored by Kioti, but I just can't say enough about my tractor. Look what it just did. This is a short video, and we got this taken care of real quick. So, well, I hope you enjoyed it, and please like us or subscribe, and we'll keep give us some thumbs up, and we'll keep doing these videos. Hopefully you liked it. Have a good day.
You're special.
Yes, I am. Special J. I guess I'll take this up to the boneyard.